In our trader rundown today, we have a lot to get to. Joining me now is Matt Cavanaugh, CMZ Trading. How are you?
Good.
We're coming off kind of a wild and whippy day on Thursday, and then Thursday night was very active. We had a lot of earnings news coming in, including Disney.
Yeah, Disney, really whipsaw action. They missed, which, that was kind of the whisper. But there is some talk, which there was talk this week about Disney acquiring some Fox assets. And as we all know, Netflix streaming, really popular. The stock bounced very hard on the after hours that Disney might acquire Hulu, start their own streaming service, compete with Netflix, underprice them. So, people really seem to be interested in this streaming, and that was enough to make the stock reverse.
And Disney's also talking about a Star Wars trilogy, so I think that gave a little oomph to the stock as well. NVIDIA, a stock that we have seen really ramp up here, came in with better than expected earnings. Some traders sold it immediately. Did we see it turn around?
Yeah, this is another one of those that seem to, bounce a little bit. There's been a little bit of volatility, but that's the thing with NVIDIA. The stock was $25 2 years ago, and here we are. It's $210, and all these chip companies really firing. AI, the automatic driving, gaming, all that stuff. So this is one of those where you've got people on both sides. I'm taking my profits, or hey, this industry is firing. So you're going to see that volatility.
And then Nordstrom. Up and down story again.
Nordstrom's up and down, and you're just seeing people rotate here, and that's it. They beat, they're rotating.
A lot going on behind the scenes in the market that we have to talk about. A lot of the topics and headwinds in the market. Tax talk, we saw some reports that it might stall out on that corporate tax. So we saw the market take a dive on that. And then a rebound, but we still ended lower for the session.
Yeah, during the day, it felt really crazy. Volatility popped just because we're not used to actually the market going down. So I think the Dow ended up rallying maybe 140 or 160 points off the low. There was some of that back and forth action that we haven't seen, but I think people are talking about the junk bonds. That's something to watch. This tax plan is something to watch. And, with this market rallying so much, are people maybe getting a little bit more eager to take profit?
Thanks for coming on the show. Have a good trader day.
Thank you.